Good afternoon. I wanted to take a minute of your time to present the Asset Event Framework applied to a real life scenario. Using the RFID IQ software, I will demonstrate how to create an asset, give it an identity, and capture it in space and time, and turn those four elements into an actionable event that can be recreated for almost any business purpose. The process we're doing today is asset creation and shelf storage, a putaway. In this demo, we have a transition portal staged at the elevator to capture the tag as it passes through. Let's go. We will start in the web application on the Create EPC screen. This is where an asset gets its identity, the first pillar of the framework. I'll give it an asset ID and a short description, and the system generates a DoD 96 compliant EPC automatically with the serial number assigned. That EPC, this hex string, is now the permanent identity of this physical item. Now that the asset has an identity, we need to put that identity onto a physical tag. I'll print the RFID tag. You'll see the actual ZPL code the system generates and send it to our Zebra printer on the floor. That was a real print job going to real hardware right now. With the tag printed, the asset shows up in our putaway queue, staged at the elevator. That's our transition portal. Right now, the system knows the asset exists and where it is staged, but it hasn't been formally located in the warehouse yet. Rather than handing off a task verbally, I can assign it, this putaway job, directly to a handheld device. In this case, Mobile 01, our TC78. Here is the handheld itself. This is its home screen, completely idle right now with no active tasks. And there it is. The moment that assignment lands, you can see the toast. New task assigned, put away. And the warehouse module lights up with a red border to flag that something needs attention. Drilling into warehouse, put away is flagged the same way. This is where the operator goes next. And here is the task itself. Assigned to Mobile 01, sitting pending until somebody picks it up. I'll open the task. Step 1 is scanning the destination location. This is where location, the third pillar, starts to get captured. Now for the real part. I'm going to physically carry this tag through our transition portal at the elevator, up the destination floor. As it passes through, the fixed reader captures the flag automatically. No scan is required. That single pass captures location and time simultaneously. The moment this asset captured the controlled point in space. Back on the handheld, I confirm the placement on the shelf. You can see the item move from pending to placed this session, with a green check mark in the shelf location. This is worth pausing on. Every element on this screen maps directly to the framework. Identity is the asset ID we generated at the very start. Association is the EPC itself, the record that ties this specific tag back to that identity. Time is the system clock, capturing when this happened. And location is the destination badge where this item lives now. 4 elements, 1 screen, 1 defensible event. Switching back to the web app, I can search for this asset and immediately see it's been placed. The system already knows. And this is the payoff. The asset detail page shows the full read history for this tag. Created, passed through an elevator portal, and placed on the shelf. Each one with a location and a timestamp. 3 real-world events, 3 real business moments, all because we captured identity, association, location, and time consistently, every step of the way. That's the asset event framework in practice. Not a theory, not a diagram, but a real asset moving through a real building captured automatically at a real transition point. Identity, association, location, time. 4 elements making one event. Any process you can imagine, shipping, receiving, picking, work in progress, runs on this same foundation, the asset event framework. Thank you for watching.